to restore contacts from a Google account, especially when they have been deleted from your phone and you no longer have access to your old device. You can follow these steps. On an Android device, start by going to your phone's settings and scrolling down to the Google option, typically located at the bottom. Tap on it, and you will see the option to set up and restore. Click on this. Then select the first option, which is to restore contacts. Even if your contacts are already synced and restored, you can still review the Google Contact Sync settings to retrieve any old or deleted contacts associated with your Google account. If you need to switch accounts, you can do so by tapping on the option at the very bottom to sync a different account. For iPhone users, the process involves syncing contacts. Begin by going to your settings. Then scroll down until you see the Contacts option. Within the Contacts section, you will find the option for Accounts. Tap on this to proceed. Here, you can restore contacts through your Gmail account. If you haven't already logged in with your Gmail account, you will need to add it by selecting Add Account from the available options, choosing Google, and then entering your login details. Once logged in, you will be given the option to sync your mail, contacts, and other data. Make sure to toggle on the Contacts option to sync your contacts. By following these steps, you can successfully restore and retrieve contacts from your Google account without needing your old phone.